we are here for learning purpose. We are here for speaking purpose. Uh, what is the main thing which we follow every single day? Then we can get fluent you know, every parts of speaking skill. What's your opinion? What what is the way you can choose, and what is the way you can share through this video? Then maybe some of my friend also understand that this is the best way of speaking skill or learning skill. So share me.
Okay. Regarding this, I have to mention 2 points. First
Mhm.
is, if you are really have time, if you have
Okay.
time to spend 4 to 5 hours on daily basis just for learning, then
Mhm.
you just collect some new vocabs in your dictionary.
Mhm.
Just because in advanced language, everyone use advanced English. So if
Mhm.
you have time, I
Okay.
don't have, so I'm not using this one, but I just suggested to someone, if you have time to
Okay.
collect some new words, new vocabs, and add on in your dictionary and use it. Use it with many of peoples every time. And the second thing is, do practice. More practice will you can learn. By
If
doing
you more
practice, you
practice, you
can
can.
enhance your
Okay.
skills and
Okay.
speaking as well.
Mhm.
And have more time than just go for and watch some videos. Whatever you like, you just
Okay.
watch.
So you were confident about speaking parts, and even though like me, and I have seen many of my friends also, they also talk many of their friends, even though I also talk many of my friends. So even though we feel not comfort zone, why it's happening with us? According to, if you have any uh, regarding about this portion.
Actually, I think behind this only the reason is hesitation.
Mm-hmm.
If I hesitate, so I can't able to express my thought, I can't able to express my feelings in front of anyone. And the second thing is eye contact.
Okay.
Mostly these things are mostly effect on our speaking skills, just
Mhm.
because we are afraid of judgment, afraid of
Mhm.
judgment, then we can't able to express our feelings.
Yeah.
So if you are um, under pressure, then you can't able to speak well. So I think if you want to speak well, you just don't worry about the judgment, don't worry what the people are thinking about you, don't worry what kind of mistakes you are doing, don't
Mhm.
worry about the mistakes. Actually, I think mistakes is a natural process in learning. So
Okay.
if you have mistakes, I also have mistake, I make many mistakes, but I don't feel about this. I just
That.
wanted to speak, just because
Mhm.
I wanted to be free from hesitation.
Mhm.
So this is the only way. If you want to speak well, then you just speak whatever you want, whatever you thinking, whatever your thoughts, you just express it.
Okay. Suppose I choose for any topic, and why when we start our speaking, when we start our communication skill, then at a time we feel that we are making mistake, we are using proper grammar or not. Why it's happening with us? Because we have understand everything about when we start this portion about grammar portion. So
Mm-hmm.
we know something about grammar, we know something about what is the accurate time we can use tense, like, but after all everything is fine, but after all we can feel hesitation. This is the
Just because you, yeah, just because you are feel under pressure, you are feeling some type of pressure that you have, but I told you already, don't feel any pressure. You
okay.
know very well where I have to use for, where I have to use scenes and whatever. And you know what, grammar is not a major source of learning. Grammar is just a part of English. And in
Yeah.
English speaking, the
Hmm.
practice and your confidence, these two factors are forward you. If you have confidence, then you definitely will get whatever you want to get it.
So if I talk about which way, like which topic we discuss about daily basis, not only you and me, any other friends, then we can get daily, motivation, daily confidence. If you have any idea.
Mm, for that, if you have friends who belongs from your profession, so
Mm-hmm.
first of all you just try to speak with him only, just because whenever you just speak with him on your whatever topic which is related to your profession, then you feel much comfortable, you feel you don't feel any type of panic.
Mm-hmm.
So, and in my case, I don't have friends who related to my background, who related to my profession. So
Mm-hmm.
I just wanted to someone, I just use the persons, I mean, I just speak the
Mm-hmm.
person on any topic, any genuine topic like pandemic and like atmosphere, like culture, like food, like this or dislike,
Mm-hmm.
this type of anything. You just have to speak. You don't
Okay.
need a particular topic, you just need to express your thoughts on any topic.
Yeah. Yeah. So you told me that you want to be a good teacher or good professor about your after completion of your qualification.
Yeah.
So best of luck for your uh, upcoming future. I think you must be, reach your goal. I think it's possible because if you choose your way, then it's really possible. I think I really realized myself in beginning time when I started speaking. That time I have no much confidence, but now till today I have too much confidence to talk about anyone, not only for India. Even though I talk with many of my friends or other country. So I feel confident now. I am able to talk. I am able to speak with anyone. So this is the good, uh, good sign for me, and I think it's definitely possible if we are aggressive about our uh, project purpose, what we need, what we want to be in our life. Like I also want to be as a teacher, but I told you in 2 or 3 days ago in audio call. But
Mhm.
otherwise, it's okay for me what I am till today and what I will be upcoming days. I think maybe it's really increased me for fluency purpose, and I am really happy to talk with you and talk with new friends who is really passionate about it and who is really think that it is need for everyone, especially for young generation. I just share my video not only for earning purpose, just for motivational purpose. Why I am doing this? Because I'm not in English background family, but till today I have learned many of my knowledge, and I just share everything. And I feel happy that this is a language, not difficult task. If we try, we can do. This is my intention. And if you share anything through this video, please share, and that's it. I can.
Yeah, actually, you are right. I totally agree with your statement. Actually, this is a universal language. If we want to travel, if we found of travel, if I
Mm,
wanted to do any other job from a part of my city, a part of my state, then
mm,
only this language will help me a lot.
yeah.
Just because every I think you can see even a central government, if
Mm,
we going to fill any form, there is
mm,
only two options, Hindi or English. And
yeah.
some of the places Hindi are not available, only English. And the much important thing, if you speak English, people will understand you are much knowledgeable person. They
Yeah.
don't judge you by your qualification.
Yeah.
They don't want your degrees. They just think about this is the uh, common phrase that first impression is your last impression.
Yeah.
If you are starting with yourself introducing by English, then you are just you just think that you are a much qualification by the
Much
peoples
better
who have
person rest of the people.
rest of the peoples. Yeah. So this is the main reason I have to learn this language, and I am on the process.
Oh yes,
So
absolutely. You are in your process. That's why we are here. We are talk to each other. This is the common fact, and this is the fact of spoken English. Because if you try this every single day, you can find lots of time all over the world, not only for India. Because you have capability, you can connect all over the people. So it is a good sign for us because we are working over here and we definitely reach our goal because it's possible.
yeah, right.
So according to me, it's okay for conversation purpose. We can talk many things, many time. If you agree, then otherwise it's okay. And
Okay, no issue. Whenever we will free, we can continue our conversation with another topic.
yeah, because if we speak regular basis, then we are discuss about this topic. Uh, this is the way of learning. This is the way of speaking because it really boost myself. I really believe myself. So that's why I am trying to speak with you better way, but somehow it's appear in my side. I'm little bit of nervous because regular basis it's not talking to anyone, so that's why it appear in my side, but otherwise it's okay. But in beginning time it's happening with me, but if I try to like 10 minutes 20 minutes after that, it's okay, it's normal, we can discuss any topic, anything, because we are not asking 1 2 3 daily basis question. That's why it's okay. Okay, fine, see you next time if we agree. Okay,
Yeah, of course. It's really pleasure to talk with you. Thank you.
thank you. Bye bye. See you
Bye.
again. Yeah, bye.